In the last video, we talked about some of the causes of an inactive keyboard, or what can cause a keyboard fail to work. So in this video, we are going to be learning about how to reset a keyboard. I'm your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number and this is my email, and I welcome you to PalmOps Foundation LIT Schools. So how to reset a keyboard, and in this case, a computer keyboard, as how you can see it here. How do you reset this keyboard? So we are saying that to reset your keyboard on Windows computers, follow these steps. So let us see the steps. So step number 1 is saying that click the Windows Start menu and type Device Manager. Click it. Then click keyboards and choose which keyboards need to be reset. Press X at the top to uninstall the device. Then we are having another, we are saying that choose Scan for hardware changes. Select your keyboard and click the Update Device driver. Install the newest drivers, then restart your computer once complete. So let us see it practically. So they are saying that click on Windows Start here. Then after clicking on this Start, you type there Device Manager. Device Manager, it is here. So we double click for it to open up. So after it has opened up, so we select the keyboard and it is here. I think you can see the keyboard here. So we select it and we are going to see that this keyboard is standard PS2 keyboard. So then after this, they have said that press X. Press X at the top to uninstall the driver. So here we are having this. Here, this is it. So they are saying that we press this X and install the driver. So in case your keyboard is having faulty, you press on this X that is here. You just click on this keyboard, then you select X. If you click on X, it will say, warning, you are about to uninstall this device from your system. But now my keyboard is working properly. In case yours is not working properly, you continue and say uninstall. So I will click cancel. Or I just come here and I right click here. If I right click, I just come here and I select this keyboard, I right click. And after right clicking, I can say update driver. So if I say update driver, it will bring me to this dialog box whereby it is saying that search automatically for updated driver software. So I can click here to continue and search for the best. So Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed, meaning that I have already installed the driver for it. So search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So I just click here to go for updating. In case to do all these, you have to make sure that you have a network connection on your device. So if I just come here also can say scan for hardware changes. So scanning for hardware changes. So it has scanned and it has detected that this is the driver of my keyboard. So that is how we update the keyboard. Or else you also come here on update driver, then you browse for drivers on your computer. So you can choose to say that if let's say that the drivers are already downloaded and on your PC or on your laptop, so you select from browse your drivers on your computer. So let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer. So you click on it to look for them. So the available ones I can see it's this one. So I just click next. If I click next, then it is installing. Now it has finished. It is saying that Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Windows has finished installing the drivers for the device. So the hardware you installed will not work until you restart your computer, meaning that I have to restart my computer for the driver to start working. So I close. So it is even querying me to restart. Do you want to restart your computer now? So I will say no. So after that, in case you have finished, you click yes. But now I'm continuing on this video, so I will not say yes. So I close even here. So let us continue. We are having a certain thingy here, a certain question here, and it is saying that what are ghost keys on a keyboard? What are ghost keys on a keyboard? So they're saying that for Windows and Mac computers, keyboard ghosting is when you press a key, but the device doesn't perform the key command and nothing appears on your screen. This problem is not just a problem if you are typing, but it becomes a glaring issue if you are gaming and need press multiple keys simultaneously for certain commands. So what do they mean here? They're saying that let's say that every time when you press numerous keys at the same time, the computer says, do you want to turn the keyboard into a ghost key, these keys into ghost keys? So if such a query comes to you, you just you just leave. But in case of these people who do gamings and the what's, you can continue and set those ghost keys, and they do perform specific tasks. So my friend, those are what we call ghost keys on the keyboard. Someone asked me about ghost keys. So for Windows on Mac or computers, keyboard ghosting is when you press a key but the device doesn't perform the key command and nothing appears on the screen, on your screen. This problem is not just a problem if you are typing, but it becomes a glaring issue if you are gaming and need press multiple keys simultaneously for certain commands. So thank you so much for watching, hoping that you've got something from this video. So I do just wish you a goodbye.